Have you ever wished you could create eye-catching, professional ads for your products without an expensive studio, without a professional camera, and without complex editing skills? The good news is that you don't have to wish anymore. Meet the power of AI, a smart tool that allows you to place any product in any space with just a few clicks. In fact, if you sell online, you can say that it is your new best friend. This AI will fully automatically place your product in any background, as if it was actually photographed there. No expensive expenses, no professional photography, no complicated editing. Just upload your product image. The AI intelligently adjusts the angle of light, shadows, and depth of the image, so that the final result looks exactly like a real professional ad. And the best part? The whole process only takes a few simple steps. In just a few minutes, you'll have a stunning professional product ad, even if you have no experience in design or editing. Now let's see step by step how easy and fast it is to do. Now log in to the TopView AI website. I have included the link to the website in the video description. Just click on the link and simply register. Registration is quick and takes only a few seconds. After that, you will be taken directly to the dashboard and can use the powerful features of this tool. Now that you've signed up and logged into your TopView dashboard, you have access to a variety of sections, including Create Avatar, Product Avatar, Design My Avatar, Video Avatar, Viral Video Agent, Avatar Marketing Video, AI Image, and AI Video, and Product AnyShoot. Each of these tools is designed for a specific type of content creation, but in this video I'm going to focus on Product AnyShoot, a tool that's very useful for quickly creating product promotional videos, especially for short videos. In the following, I'll show you exactly how to use this section step by step. Step 1. Upload your product image. To get started, log into TopView AI and upload your product image. This image can be a high-quality photo of the product with a simple background, or even better if you have a PNG image with a transparent background. The cleaner, sharper, and more professional the image is, the more natural and realistic the final result will look. Step 2. Select the target image. Now it's time to upload the target image. This image is the scene or background that your product will be placed in. You can upload your own custom background. If you don't have a ready-made image, no problem. You can use TopView AI's built-in library, a library full of professional backgrounds designed specifically for e-commerce, social media, and advertising that have high conversion rates. Step 3. Fine-tune and naturalize the image. Use the brush tool to precisely place the product on the target image and blend it into the scene. Don't worry if the brush is too big or too small. You can adjust its size. If you make a mistake, you can easily fix it with the eraser tool. Don't rush through this part. This is where the final image will really come into its own. The goal is for the product to look like it's part of the scene, not something that's just been pasted on top of the image. Step 5. Convert AI image to professional video. Now we come to one of the most exciting parts of this process, converting the AI-generated image into a video. But here's an important point. Don't settle for a static image. To make your output truly eye-catching and competitive, let's take it up a notch and turn it into a dynamic and engaging video. Using the image-to-video feature in TopView AI, you can turn your product image into a full-fledged promotional video, perfect for platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. In this section, you can give the product natural movement, add smooth, controlled animations, create professional zooms or camera movements, and use smooth transitions to make your product presentation more engaging. These simple but clever movements will make your product look more alive and grab the audience's attention in the first few seconds. Exactly what is crucial. If you're in the e-commerce space, this tool can be a real lifesaver. Whether you sell on Shopify, Amazon, or Etsy, this tool is built for those who want to create content quickly, professionally, and affordably. For those who work in dropshipping, this tool is practically essential. No more ordering product samples. With just product images, you can create professional product photos, create engaging social media content, and create eye-catching ads in minutes. Small business owners save both time and money on content creation, without sacrificing quality. Typically, to create a professional product ad, you need a photographer, a studio, lighting, and hours of editing. A time-consuming and expensive process. But with this tool, you can take photos for any product instantly, without hassle and complexity, and at a much lower cost. No prior experience is required. AI does all the work for you, from scene composition to lighting, shadows, and perspective. Suitable for all industries. This tool is not limited to a specific field. Whatever industry you are in, you can use it. Fashion and apparel, beauty and personal care, tech and gadgets, food and beverage, or any product you can imagine. If you want to create truly stunning product ads and test out a few ideas quickly, this tool is for you. Summary and call to action. If you're looking for a simple, fast, and smart way to create promotional content, it's time to get serious about AI. Check out the link below and start transforming your product images into professional, high-angle, studio-quality photos and videos today. It's one of the easiest ways to promote your brand and increase sales.